This is the HP ProBook 450 G10, and I will show you everything that comes in the box, the connectivity, specifications and repairability. But first, subscribe to the channel because I bring new products every week. About the specifications of this computer. It has an Intel i7-1355U processor. It can have up to 16 GB of memory, but you can put up to 64 GB. It has an NVMe SSD with a capacity of up to 2 TB with a PCI Express 4 interface capable of reaching speeds of 4,500 MB per second. To test the speed of this SSD, I will use the Crystal Disk Mark to see what is the maximum speed. And you can see that the reading speed is 4,542 MB per second. It is a very good speed for any task you need to do on the computer. And the writing test result is 2,658 MB per second. Although it's lower than expected, it is still an excellent speed for the computer. Let's see the connectivity of the computer. On the left side, there is a hole for a lock, an RJ45 plug for connecting an Ethernet cable, and a USB Type-A plug. But on the right side, there is more connections. It might have a microSD card reader, but this model doesn't have it. But it has a connection for headphones, an HDMI 2.1 plug for connecting a monitor, another USB Type-A plug, but also two USB Type-C plugs, and a power charging connection, which uses this type of connection for charging. But let's see the upgradability and repairability of this computer. Here is the motherboard, which is cooled by this heatsink. It has an M.2 connection for a 80mm NVMe SSD. This M.2 connection has no middle screw, so you will only be able to install a 2280 SSD module here. Here is the RAM memory. It only comes with a 16 GB memory module, but it has two slots to put memory, so you can put more memory and have twice as much memory, and you can also replace the Wi-Fi card module. But it has another M.2 slot for an SSD, so you can increase the storage capacity with one more SSD, but only one with 42mm. And you can also replace the battery if it breaks. And so, that's all the upgradability and repairability of this computer, so this computer can last you for many years. So, this is a good computer, with good specifications and a high-performance processor, ideal for working at the office or using it for school. And with good repairability, you have the possibility of fixing it if it breaks, or you can add more SSD capacity or add more memory. So, in many years, you can still have a good computer. So, this is a computer that I recommend. I hope you enjoyed this computer, but I have more computers to show you to help you choose the best computer for you. But now, subscribe to the channel because I publish new videos every week. Like the video to help the channel grow, and if you have any questions, write in the comments.